quick little swing trade recap that I recently did with my team Thursday night into Friday morning. I alerted to my team, hey, we're swinging MU 78 strike calls for 11:26 expiration. Okay. Reason behind this trade is really clean cut and simple. Okay. So the reason behind me doing these trade recap videos is yes, these trades have already played out, but my thought process behind everything, behind the trade, you can look to replicate in other trades because the same setups can be found across the market eventually in due time. So while it may not show itself today, I can almost promise you and guarantee you at some point or another, the same setup will show up eventually for another ticker or another name out there. Okay, so the reason behind going long on MU is really easy. Price had a monster breakout recently. Okay, the semiconductors have been really hot. Nvidia, AMD, they're sector leaders for for semiconductors. If you don't know, if you're not familiar with MU, it is a semiconductor company. Semiconductors have been red hot. Sector leaders in Nvidia and AMD have been red hot. I mean, at today, this is Friday. We sold out of our MU position earlier. You know, MU, we capitalized on a $6 move today. Look at the sector leader, Nvidia. Okay, it's basically the semiconductor giant. AMD is in second place. Nvidia is up $12 today. Okay, sector leaders are moving. Look for the follower stocks to move with it. Okay, AMD following Nvidia, it's up $1 today. MU, which is what we traded, is up $6 today. If you look at QCOM, it's up. Well, actually, QCOM is red today by 60 cents. Okay, TSM, the Taiwan Semiconductor Company, up $1 today. All right, so again, this has been a red hot sector. When sector leaders are leading, look for the follower stocks to follow. This is exactly what we did with MU. So MU had a recent breakout recently. It's been uptrending really, really well. Notice the top comes in on November 12th. Okay, this is my thought process behind entering the trade. Eventually, for the uptrend to continue and for the uptrend to be healthy, there has to be a technical pullback. Okay, buyers will sell out for profit. Sellers, them selling out for profit, selling shares, causes price to go down. You'll have some bears come in and they'll push price down a little bit. Okay, this is now a little bit of an accumulation phase right here. Okay, it almost looks as if it's an ugly, ugly bull flag that's in the works. If you wanted to call it a bull flag, you know, here's your big flagpole. Here's a little channel that price put itself in. If you see it, if not, whatever, it's there. But the technical pullback played out. Now notice where price caught itself. It caught itself on this 21 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. That's what I told my team. It bounced off technical support. This was my stop loss. If a 4-hour candle closed below the 21 EMA on the 4-hour, I'm out of my position. It bounced off of the 21 EMA on the 4-hour time frame. That's all I needed to see because buyers were sitting at technical support waiting to buy the dip, and they did. Okay, look at this very bullish 4-hour candle right here. Look at that long lower wick right down to the 21 EMA, and then look how this 4-hour candle closed. Buyers happily bought the dip on Friday. It was a bullish close for MU, and then look at this monster run today. We swung 78 strike calls for 11:26 expiration. I mean, how many dollars are they in the money? Okay, if this was an insane move. I was not predicting this kind of trade today or this kind of move out of MU. I mean, we alone opened over $1 in the money today. MU in pre-market was trading at $79, and as soon as market opened, it booked it to $80. I was not expecting that kind of move. Here's the best part. We chose 78 strike calls because I saw on the option chain there was a lot of volume and open interest on this particular option. That showed me, now combine that with this option's out of the money. That tells me this is smart money opening up into this position. Okay, that's another additional or another piece of my conviction that I saw. If smart money is moving in, that kind of implies MU is going to have a big move. I was thinking maybe $80 because the 78 strike calls, which were at that time over $1 out of the money, were implying smart money is moving in. They're going to capitalize on a bigger move because they're going to enter out of the money options. So that way, when they go in the money, they're going to be selling those in the money options back to retail traders who are FOMOing in, who missed the move to begin with. Okay. When we entered this trade, when I entered, it was $76 per contract. some of my members, because it went red for a little bit as it tested the 21 EMA again, some of my members got a fill for $60 per contract. $60 per contract. Right now, at the time of this video, these 78 strike calls are trading right around $600 per contract. Do the math on that kind of percent return that this swing trade gave to our team. Okay? Look for these similar setups because this is one of those home run trades that you just never know what the return can be. Okay? MU had a red hot day. A lot of people FOMO'd in this morning. I put my team in calls. Yesterday, we swung them overnight, and we were able to capitalize on a really, really, really nice move for MU today. Okay? If you have a small account, this was the trade to be in. Contracts were literally $76 to $60 a pop. They're trading roughly right around $600 now. That would be a huge, that's literally flipping an account in a day. Okay? If you had a $100 account, how many times over did you flip your account? Compounding profits. This was an absolutely crazy trade. I'm really happy that I was able to put my team on this kind of trade. If you have a small account and you struggle growing your account, join my team because I cater to small accounts. Okay, I want to see all of these small account traders out there feast. I purposely give alerts for small account trades. Okay, I'm always out there looking for small accounts. MU was another big one that paid dividends for anybody who got into it. All right, if you have any questions about myself, my trading style, or joining my team, feel free to leave the questions in the comments down below, and I'll be more than happy to answer.